everyone, welcome to a new episode of Crypto Tips. Today I have a very special guest with me, Ernest from decrypted.tax. Thank you, Ernest, for joining us today.
Good to be here.
So today we got a ton of questions from our Patreon members. Actually, if you guys want to check out our group, it's patreon.com/cryptotips. And our members are sent in a ton of questions for Ernest today to talk about tax preparations, what to expect if you are a US citizen dealing with the IRS and your cryptocurrency investments. So we got a ton of topics to go through. So let's get to it. So now let's talk about tax loss harvesting. How are some ways that people can save on their taxes that they owe?
So with tax loss harvesting, before the end of the year, this year, for instance, you'll want to identify those crypto assets where you have built-in losses, and you can sell those crypto assets. And then you can buy those crypto assets back because there aren't any tax wash rules the way there are in the stock market. And you, assuming you buy them back in a reasonable period of time, you don't do it 10 seconds later, the IRS will respect the transaction as it stands. And so before the end of the year, it would be beneficial to sell those assets where you have built-in losses.
Interesting. So I think with the increased amount of institutional investors and bigger names investing in cryptocurrencies, I think we're going to see a lot more traditional type patterns that we see in the stock markets with crypto. And I think this might be one of them actually, where people are harvesting their losses. It's interesting that there's no wash trading. So basically you can just relatively sell it and then not lose too much of your position in that coin.
Right. And I say that currently, that's as of now, they are talking about the tax wash rules and how they apply to crypto. And I have an attorney in Washington, D.C. that works with us that stays up to date on all these proposed regulations, proposed rules. And we regularly review that information and we have a YouTube channel that we're starting where we're going to actually go over a lot of that, and we'll have that working where we're going over the proposed regulations, proposed laws, and keeping people up to date on current laws.
I'm sure that'll be a sought out YouTube channel. Everyone wants to know what's going on.